Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another tutorial and today I want to show you the best way to apply eyeshadow if you have droopy hooded eyes and how to visually lift them with makeup. So if it's something you're interested in, then please keep watching. So I'm going to start by priming my eyes using my plouise base in the shade 01. I'm going to apply it on the side of my nose and also bring it towards my temple. For today's look, I'll be using my Like a Boss palette from Voss. And first I'm gonna go with the shade Fierce and apply it all over the lid. The reason I'm going with the lid shade first is because today I'm going for the soft crease and it doesn't really matter what you apply first, your eyeshadow in the crease or the other way, because we're not gonna be cutting anything and it doesn't have to be sharp. Next I'm going with the shade Strong, which is dark brown, and I'm using my outer V brush from Geek. I'm applying it on the outer corner of my eye, kind of the same way as I would with an eyeliner. I'm trying not to go too far to the side and kind of bringing it towards the outer end of my eyebrow, and that's what's gonna give us that lifted shape. I'm using an angled brow brush from Voss to apply the same eyeshadow along my lash line. I tried to keep the most of the essential footage for this video because I want you to be able to follow it even if I fail to explain what I'm doing exactly, so you could actually see it. I know that it could be annoying to some of you, like watching me doing the same thing for 10-20 seconds, but I know that it's very helpful to those of you who struggle with hooded eyes makeup. Next I'm gonna go with a lighter brown shade and I'm using Morphe M321 brush. It's very precise but still very flexible and good for blending. You want to make sure to keep that shape like if you applied a wing liner. Once I have very little product left on the brush, I start bringing it towards my inner corner. Once I feel like there is no pigment left on my brush at all, I'm going to apply a little bit more on my outer corner once again. You want to concentrate most of the color on the outer portion of your eye and then drag it from there. I'm also gonna go with the shade next to my lash line just to help that dark brown blend into the shimmer better. I know it still looks very harsh, but we're just gonna leave it there for now and go back to blending later. Now I'm gonna go with the shade Hustle and blend out the edges using Morphe 506 brush. And then I'm just kind of going over everything to blend all the shades together. As you can see, I'm being very careful when blending my outer corner because I still want to keep that shape. I'm applying a little bit more of the lighter brown shade and blending it out. In general, there is going to be a lot of going back and forth between shades, and that's what you want to do to get that smooth blend without any harsh lines. In this particular video, I'll be showing you every time I apply some more eyeshadow because I just want you to see what it takes to get that nice transition. Going back with my outer V brush and the dark brown color and just blending it out once again. To highlight, I'm gonna use the shade Isabella from my Ride or Die palette from Voss. Next, I'm gonna use the same angled brow brush that I used earlier from Voss, and I'm applying that dark brown color on my lower lash line. I only applied it halfway because I want the inner portion of my eye to stay light and open. I applied a little bit of the shade Fierce, the same shimmer that I used on the lid. Now using Morphe 506, I'm blending everything out and connecting my lower lash line to the same colors on the lid. As you can see, I went with a little bit more brown and then lighter brown to blend it out again, just doing the same thing I did on the lid, going between colors back and forth until I'm happy with the blend and pigmentation. I'm going with a little bit more of the shade Strong because I felt like I needed more to connect to my lower lash line. And now I'm just going to repeat all the same steps that I did earlier and go in between shades to get that perfect blend without any harsh lines. Once everything is nicely blended, I'm gonna go with my L'Oreal pencil in the shade Highlighter and apply it on my waterline. For the lashes, I'll be going with this pair from Velour. You want something that is longer on the outer corner because that will help you to visually lift your eyelids. So here's the finished look with the rest of my makeup done. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!